Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to get an Infiniti J30 key replacement in case you lost all your keys or just want to have a spare set. In addition, I will go over the estimated cost, type of keys, coding information, and some great tips to save you a lot of time and money. Of course, if you need any help, you can contact us 24/7 and we will connect you with a locksmith near you. So, Infiniti J30 has two keys. Both of them are non-transponder keys or non-chip keys. Let's go over them. The first key for 1997, we have a key blank with a part number D like dog, A like an apple 38. And between 93 to 96, we have a key blank D like dog, A like an apple 31. Both of these keys are regular keys, simple metal keys, no security features whatsoever. Now it's time for tip number 1. There are many different keys that look almost the same. However, they have different keyway. Therefore, always provide the dealer or locksmith either the exact year, make and model of your car or the VIN number, so they can make sure they have the right key blank. For example, 1997 Infiniti J30. Now, let's go over the Infiniti J30 key replacement cost. Because this model is older than 15 years, it means that most locksmiths and dealers will not be able to access the key code to get a replacement key. Therefore, their only option will be to replace the ignition. The estimated cost is about $250 including labor. In addition, remember that in this case, you will have different keys for the doors and the ignition. Now, some tips to save you a lot of time and money. First, call a few locksmiths, get a few quotes. This is very important as some locksmiths are very busy on a given day and some aren't. Use it for your advantage. Second, try to call a few companies, even if they are not located right next to your location. Most locksmiths offer a mobile service, sometimes up to 30-mile radius, so even though the business address might be far from you, they might be helping the customer right next to you. Do your research, it will pay off. Third, try to schedule an appointment, if you can wait a while. Most locksmiths would prefer to give you a 10, even 15% discount if you can wait while they finish another job. This way, it can work out for everybody. You get a discount, they get a job. Ask for it. Don't be shy. Finally, just like a mortgage, try to negotiate. If you find a better quote, tell them. Who knows? Maybe they will give you a better one. For more great tips, you can read our blog post about car key replacement cost. That's it. I hope you liked this video. I would really appreciate if you can comment below to help other people and tell us how much you paid. And of course, if you need help, just give us a call. Thank you very much.